and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Nick. I'm your chef, Nicholas Ramsey, and I want to thank you all so much for inviting me into your kitchens for yet another episode. So today we're going to be cooking honey-baked jerk chicken wings. So I know I did jerk chicken before, so this is a little different, but it's different. That's why I'm doing another video. So y'all, we're not going to waste any time. So let's go ahead and let's get cooking. All right, y'all, before we move forward, I want to give a huge shout out to MJEN Drinks for these drinks. Thank you so much. They taste so good. They're refreshing. They have so many different flavors. I encourage you all to go check them out on Instagram. Purchase from them. Their Instagram link is going to be right here. MJEN Drinks, MJEN Drinks. They taste so good. They're so refreshing. They have different benefits for each of the drinks. We have pineapple guava here. We have sorrel blast. We have pineapple sunshine. We have beetroot infusion. Check them out. Purchase from them. They're so great, and I don't regret buying from them. Thank you so much again, MJEN Drinks, for these drinks. Oh, and before I move forward, shout out to my best friend Donnay for these wonderful bowls that she got me for Christmas. I love you, 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 I love you times 100, a million. Thank you so much. All right, y'all, so for this recipe, I already have my chicken, wings that are washed, cleaned, all of that good stuff. And then for our recipe, we are going to be using, of course, our good old browning to make our chicken brown. You know, I love me some browning. We also have some jerk seasoning, Grace, mild Jamaican jerk seasoning. We have my combo seasoning, which is my seasoning salt. We also have some garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, parsley, black pepper. And then for our dry seasonings, we have onion, green onion, bell peppers, red and orange. All right, y'all, so now that my chicken is all seasoned up, I'm gonna cover it down, let it marinate in the fridge for a few hours, then come back and I'll show you all the next process, which will be putting it in the oven. See you soon. What's up, y'all? All right, so after having my chicken marinate in the fridge for a few hours, I'm gonna go ahead, transfer it to my dish, put it on the oven at 375 degrees for 1 hour. I'm gonna flip it after an hour, flip the chicken after an hour, leave it back on for about 30 to 45 minutes, and I'm gonna check it right back in with y'all. Alright, y'all, so while our jerk chicken is baking in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and start on our marinade sauce. So we have a 1/4 stick of unsalted butter, and I'm just going to put that over medium heat, and I'm going to allow that butter to just go ahead, melt, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my next ingredient, which is going to be 1 tablespoon of jerk sauce. Then I'm just going to go ahead and mix that all together. And after that, I'm going to add in some honey.
And of course, you're just going to mix that together as well. Then after 45 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and flip my chicken. And once I'm done flipping my chicken, I'm going to just add this marinade all over the chicken and put the chicken back in the oven for another 30 minutes.
Y'all, this tastes so good. Like, it's jerk chicken, but the honey gives it a little bit of sweet to it. But it tastes good, actually. Wow, that tastes good. All right, y'all, so that ends another episode of Cooking with Nick. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. And until the next video, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all